Passive income has become one of the most searched terms in personal finance, and for good reason. The idea of making money while you sleep sounds almost too good to be true. But in 2025, it's not just a dream. It's a real, achievable goal if you use the right strategy and mindset. Let's be clear, real passive income takes work up front. Whether it's time, money, or skills, nothing is truly 100% passive from day one. But once the systems are in place, it can continue generating income with little to no daily effort. So in this video, let's talk about 7 passive income ideas that actually work in 2025. These aren't outdated gimmicks or get-rich-quick traps. These are real strategies that people are using right now in the US, UK, and Canada to earn extra income, even while working full-time jobs. The first one is dividend investing. This is one of the most classic and proven forms of passive income. You buy shares in companies that pay dividends, usually quarterly, just for holding the stock. In 2025, there are still strong dividend-paying stocks and ETFs that can give you 3 to 5 annual yield. It's not flashy, but it's reliable. The key is consistency. Reinvest your dividends until the snowball effect really takes off. Second, we have digital products. In today's economy, you can create an ebook, spreadsheet, template, or online course, and sell it on platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, or Teachable. Once created, these products can sell over and over again with minimal effort. If you have knowledge in a specific niche, whether it's fitness, finance, or design, this is one of the best ways to monetize your skills passively. Third is YouTube automation. This one's growing fast in 2025. It involves creating faceless YouTube channels where you script, outsource voiceovers, and use stock footage. Once monetized, these channels can earn from ads, sponsorships, and affiliate links. It takes upfront planning, but the long-term potential is powerful, especially in high RPM niches like finance or tech. Fourth is affiliate marketing. You don't need a massive audience to start with affiliate links. Whether it's through a blog, email list, or social media, you can recommend tools, courses, or products you actually believe in, and earn a commission for every sale. Sites like Amazon Associates, ShareASale, and Impact offer endless options for affiliates, and if you're consistent, it can scale over time. Fifth is rental income. It's one of the oldest forms of passive income, but still effective in 2025. This could be through traditional real estate, Airbnb, or even renting out storage space, vehicles, or equipment. Platforms like Neighbor or Turo have made it easier than ever to rent out underused assets. Yes, it requires capital, but for those who already have property or savings, this can become a strong monthly income stream. Sixth is peer-to-peer lending or crowd-funded investing. This is where you lend money through platforms like Lending Club or invest in real estate via Fundrise or Realty Mogul. You earn interest or dividends from your investments, and the platforms handle most of the work. It's important to understand the risk, but with diversification, it can be a decent stream of income. And lastly, print on demand. You create designs for t-shirts, mugs, or posters, and upload them to sites like Redbubble or Teespring. When someone buys, the company prints and ships the product for you. You earn a profit with zero inventory. It's competitive but still viable, especially if you find the right niche and stay creative. The key to passive income in 2025 is starting with one stream and doing it well. Too many people try everything at once and get nowhere. But if you pick one, master it, and stay consistent, you'll be amazed at what's possible in a year. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to the Cash Blueprint for more weekly content on smart ways to build wealth and take control of your financial future. Thanks for watching. And remember, your money should work as hard as you do.